Good morning, students. In my previous video, I told you the conversion of the number from decimal to binary using repeated division method. So first we will have an example again. So we are about to convert a number which is suppose 43 base 10 into base 2. Again, I am telling you the uh, method repeated division. What it says? It says that divide the given number which is here 43. Okay, this method works to convert any number from decimal to any base, means from decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal. So the rule is same. The rule is divide the given decimal number by the base of desired number system. In our case it is binary, so base is 2. So divide the given number by the base of desired number system successively and arrange all the remainders from last remainder to the first remainder in order MSB or MSD to LSB or LSD. In case of binary it is MSB LSB. In case of other number system it is MSD LSD. Okay, so we are starting to convert 43 from base 10 to base 2. For that 43 by 2. So 2 2 and 1. So 21 times is 42. 43 minus 42 is 1. Remainder 2 10 times 1 remainder 2 5 times 10 then 0 remainder 2 2 times 4 1 remainder 2 1 times 2 0 remainder and 2 0 times 0 1 minus 0 is 1. So here it is 0. Now we will arrange this in order to MSB to LSB. Now we will get 1 0 1 0 1 1. So 1 0 1 0 1 1. Now this is the binary equivalent of 43 decimal number. Now I will tell you how to convert the fractional part of decimal into binary. So we will have an example here. So we will taking a number which is 23.625 base 10 and we want the binary equivalent. Okay, we want a binary equivalent for 23.625. So the repeated division method works for the part which is before the or the left side of the decimal, and for this we will use multiplication method. So for 23 we will get 10111 10111, and for this part we are having 0.625. 0.625 we will multiply it by the base which is 2. So we will get 1250. So 1.250. So there we are having two parts, at the left side of the decimal point and at the right side of the decimal point. So this I will write here and this I will write here again. We are having this, and this part again we will multiply by 2. Now this part becomes 0, so no need to multiply it by 2 further, and this part here, and we will arrange it like this. So we will get 1 0 1. So now the point and this part is 1 0 1. So this is your binary equivalent of 23.625. So for fractional part, every time you will multiply it by 2, and when you are getting something at the left side of the decimal point, you will arrange this like this, and the fractional part again you will be multiplying by 2, and whenever you will get 0 you will stop. If you are not getting 0, suppose it is sometimes it is repeatedly increasing, so simply do it for up to 10 digits. Okay, so this is the method, and today I will talk about the next method of converting a decimal from a binary from decimal. Okay, which is referring the table of power of 2. So table of power of 2. It is the method. So what we will do in that method? So in that method we will arrange the power of 2's. So from right to left we will write 2 power 0, 2 raised to power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, and 2 to the power 5, and up to so on you can move. So 2 raised to power 2 is 0 is 1, 2 power 1 is 2, it is 4, it is 8, it is 16, it is 32. So like this you will increase. So the series is 1, then double 2, then double 4, then double 8, then double of 8 is 16, 32, after 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, and 1024 is 2 raised to the power 10. So how we will use that method? So we want the binary of a number which is 8. So 8 lies in that series. 8, yes, we want 8, then 1 at the place of 8, and rest they are having 0. So we are having binary equivalent of 8 as 1 0 0 0. Very simple. Again we are taking another example. We want a number which is not in that series. Suppose we want a number for binary conversion is 12. So we want 12 here. Okay, so it is 16, it is more than 12, so leave it. 8 plus what? 8 plus 4. So I want 8, I want 4, no 2, no 1. So this is the binary for, okay, we are getting this from that table. If you want to verify that if it is okay or not, then 12, 2, 6, 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 1, 1, and 2, 0, 1. in that form 1100. So we are getting 1100, 1100. It is the binary. So method is properly working. Now by referring the table of 2, you can easily convert any number from decimal to binary. The method works good for decimal numbers, binary number, decimal to binary conversion. So now one conversion I have left, which is converting anything from binary to decimal. So for that, now we are having binary to decimal. So binary to decimal conversion is very easy. First you will have some binary. For example, we are having here 110110 if it is binary, and I want a decimal equivalent. So the method is multiply by the base. Multiply a number, multiply the given number by the base of given number to get the desired number in decimal. So we will write 1 1 0 1 1 0 1. All these binary numbers, binary digits are expanded here. Now we will multiply it by the given base, which is 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and into 2. Then power of 2, 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now these are the power, and we will add these. Okay, 2 raised to the power 0 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1 here, plus 2 raised to the power 1 is 2, and 2 into 0 is 0. 2 raised to the power 2 is 4, into 1 is 4. 2 raised to the power 3 is 8, into 1 is 8. It is 16, into 0 is 0. It is 32, so 32 into 1 is 32. Plus it is 64, into 1 is 64. Now we will add all these. So on adding this, we are getting 40, 104, 108 and 109. So we are getting 109. So this is binary equivalent of a number which is 109. We can say 109 base 10. Okay, or you are having another number. Next example. Suppose you are having a number base 2. So as I told you, the table of 2, table of power of 2 is 1 2 4 8 16, and so we are having 4 digits, so 4 digits only. Then we are having 1 second 0 4 and 8. So where the 0 is, it is the false position. Where 1 is, it is the true position. So we will consider the true position, which is 8 4 and 1. 8 4 is 12 and 1 is 13. So it is directly 13. Okay, so this is all the concept of conversion from decimal to binary, binary to decimal. Okay, so I hope all the concept explained today you are getting very well. So I'll see you in the next video. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.